Dave Rockow from Armageddon Turbo here, and today is the day. Our Armageddon LSX cast twin turbo manifolds are shipping. Let's see what's in your box. So we get the box open. What you're gonna find is get a stud kit for the exhaust manifold mounting. Turbo manifold number 1. Turbo manifold number 2. Turbo mounting studs, and another package of turbo mounting studs. Manifolds themselves, this is an over the valve cover design. Positions the turbos right over the passenger and driver side valve cover. We've got a 45 or 44 millimeter wastegate flange already cast and machined into the manifold. So you just install your wastegate directly to it, and then you can route your downpipe. T4 flanges are already machined to accept the studs that we include in the system, so you just add a gasket in your turbo, bolt them on, and you're ready to go. These work with conventional rotation T4 turbochargers. They're made out of 304 stainless steel and have an electroplating finish for that awesome look under the hood. These are available now at our website, goturbo.net. I'm Dave Rockow. This is the Armageddon LSX twin turbo manifolds, now shipping.